Just like the little girl is mouthing, we're gonna do it. Not, not that, do it. This is an educational show. We're gonna learn about making quests on Classcraft. Woo! Let's do this. All right, we already started. So this is the screen that you are going to see as your initial screen to start a quest. So I haven't started a quest on this account, so we are going to have, this is a brand new quest, and we are going to go through it together on the how-to on what a quest looks like in the beginning. All right, so this is the initial screen. You can choose from different backgrounds on how to start your quest. It's pretty self-explanatory. Classcraft helps you walk you through everything. You're going to click on the map to click a quest. It's going to give you this screen right here where it says create a new quest, enter a quest name, and then select your quest map. So my quest map is, since I'm doing chemistry now, my quest map is going to be on something related to chemistry. So I'm going to be, so let's say my quest name is the search for the atomic fairy. So the good thing about quests is that it allows you as well as a student to be creative with the design of quests, and they can go on with the design of quests. It's pretty much like if you are nerdy enough to know Dungeons and Dragons or World of Warcraft, the kids will go through a kind of role-playing scenario where they have to pick and choose what type of adventure they want to go through. And the adventure is the academic activity. So I'm going to say, if I'm doing a search for atomic fairy, I want something that looks kind of ethereal. So these are all the available maps. I like this map. All right. So this is my map, the search for the atomic fairy. So click on the map to place your introduction. So you can click anywhere you want to start your introduction. I'm going to start this tower. Okay. So right here, they say your quest introduction. You're going to write a fictional story below to introduce your students to the objective. So you don't have to write an actual story. I've seen teachers write others, write out really beautiful stories. But if you are not a creative person, you can just simply write the objective. I'm going to expand on this quest story later. But for the run through of explaining how to make a quest, I'm just going to write the objective. So, and hope you guys are going to see the final product. So you're going to enjoy my fanciful story if you like. So the objective for this quest is students will let's try to keep it really general. Students will explore the concept of balancing equations. All right. You can also click and drop and upload files if you would like right here. It also has attachments. You can do it from your Google Drive, or you can do it from your cloud, or you can do it from your computer. It's your choice. So we're going to click on save. And then as you can see, you see my introduction right here. So this is the start point of what the kids will start with. So as you can see, you have three icons under the introduction of my point, my starting point. It's the icon of the how many kids are in my class. Then you have the check mark and the X, and that's basically, did they read the introduction, um, and did they check off? So every point is a check off point for the students um, to uh, uh, to e- to evaluate themselves with a simple thumbs up, thumb down. Did you understand that we're doing this? You can change the parameters to the thumbs down, thumbs up. You can say that they must pass a test in order to move forward, or um, or they must, or the teacher can only move them forward after this point. It's completely up to you. If you want to make it all student driven, my suggestion is to clearly state your direction for every activity throughout, and that will allow a clear and smooth transition. So let's go and move on to the next one. So as you can see, Classcraft tells you everything to do step by step, and it's really self-explanatory and really helpful to see. And if you get confused about it, it really, it allows you to, be messy with it, and you can go back and check on this and that. So click on the add button at the bottom of the right to create your first objective. So they're talking about this button. So I'm going to click on that, and then again I'm going to click on another place to click on the map to place an objective. So let's start here. Okay, so you can link it, and there's three different things that you can do. You can establish a task, you can link your assignment to Google Classroom, so or you can have it in the quest. So you can do three different things, and they do, three different things. So we're going to look at each tab as we go. Okay, so we're going to stop here, and then we're going to pick up in our next video the create new objective, and we're going to address what does the task, Google Classroom, and EndQuest look like. All right.